Hi guys, Josh Berry here. I'm a physicist and the head of Ventures Lamp Design Group for the past 15 years. I'm standing in front of our plant science growth chambers where we're evaluating the effect of various 1,000-watt light sources on tomato plants. Specifically, we have Sunmaster Super HO 1,000-watt and the Sunmaster Full Nova 1,000-watt, and we're comparing them to a couple other 1,000-watt HPS lamps commercially available in the market. We burned all these lamps into 100 hours and measured their output in our photometric sphere, so we have a precise understanding of their relative spectral output as well as their total output quantified in micromoles of photons per second between 400 and 700 nanometers. For example, the Sunmaster Super HO has about 20% more output compared to some of the other 1,000-watt HPS lamps available in the market, and the Full Nova has a very broad spectrum representative of sunlight. We're very interested to see how these different sources have an effect on the tomato plant growth. We'll be posting more results as they become available, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. Josh Berry from Sunmaster. We're just wrapping up our plant chamber tests, and we're in the process of taking down the plants now. We're going to be drying them out and then measuring the total biomass. We got some great results and we're looking forward to summarizing those and sharing them with you guys. Hi guys, welcome back. We are here to summarize the results of the tomato plant growth test, where we were looking at various 1,000-watt HPS lamps available, including the Sunmaster Super HO. The first slide shows the output of two brands of commercially available 1,000-watt HPS lamps and compares them to the Sunmaster Super HO. As you can see, the Sunmaster lamp has about 10% more total output, and most of that is coming from the red. We wanted to see how this output correlated to tomato plant performance. This a little bit more detail on the spectral output of the lamps, focusing on brand number 2, a little bit higher of the two competitively available samples, and the Sunmaster Super HO lamp. You see some subtle differences in the output, but this is pretty typical of a 1,000-watt HPS lamp. If we look a little bit more closely, you'll see that between 620 and 740 is really where the Sunmaster lamp has more output in that red region. Looking into how that affected plant performance, this is the first of our empirical data. Now, this is the number of active flowers. Every day we would, for each tomato plant in every chamber, count the number of total active flowers until about 3 weeks. Pretty much not a lot of difference going on. Very pleased to see that thereafter the Sunmaster Super HO lamp kind of took the lead and produced about 30% more at its peak total active flowers than the two competitive lamps. We also looked at plant compactness. Again, pleased to see that the Sunmaster lamp produced at least as compact of a lamp with regards to the node spacing as either of the two other brands of 1,000-watt HPS lamps. We also measured dry biomass and Brix levels, or sucrose content. A lot of noise in this data, not a lot of separation, but wanted to present the data nonetheless. Sunmaster lamp was right in there in terms of dry biomass and Brix levels as well. This last slide, if you want to pause the video, shows the details of the variables that we controlled and also the technical description of the instrumentation and measurement tools that we used through the course of the experiment. In summary, we were very happy to see that the higher output of the Sunmaster Super HO lamp did translate into better plant performance, specifically with regards to flowering and compactness. I'm looking forward to our next round of experiments.